Nothing like having a store with a view. It's crazy. We're in Estoril, which is near Cascais in Portugal. Beautiful little beach town.
Beach.
Right, we have not seen the beach yet, and now we're gonna go and have our coffee. At once again, 11:30 in the afternoon. That's okay, we had a nice night.
Joe got to play drums last night.
We got to play drums in Portugal.
Yeah. She said this was a tiny beach.
Yes, it is.
She said you got to get there really early.
I'm gonna go dip my feet in the water because I want to just see.
And then she said like a 10-minute.
Or do you want to just walk? I want to dip my feet in the water at some point. How's
That's
that?
fine.
Okay.
So let's walk first.
Okay, cool. A lot of people are in the water though. It can't be that cold unless they're just used to it.
I think they're probably used to it when it's the only ocean.
You just like suck it up. Suck it up. We're going in the water.
And if they would just help yourself to a chair.
It's the dead chair burial ground. So this is the second beach that's down from where we came on by our Airbnb. So this is definitely substantially bigger for sure. That's a pretty building. Once again, we don't know what it is, so we're not even gonna guess. Nice. People are actually, it's not once you, it's not what I expected, like my feet going numb, and they're not.
It's pretty numb. Well, we knew it wasn't 50, but it's quite cold.
Oh. We are traveling through the town of Cascais. Joelle's looking at Idealista, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just getting an idea of what prices are and what places have ocean views. And obviously, things are extremely expensive. And the streets are extremely narrow.
So make a right.
Okay.
There's the gym right there. Jiu-jitsu. And then
here's one right here on the right. I want the number of this place. This is where I want to be. Right there. Now which way?
okay, so go straight.
Straight?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Is that bad? Is it a do not enter?
No, I don't know what it is. Because I got a stop sign, so we know I can go this way. That's a no
Do
bueno.
not enter, period, ever.
Oh, look at Joellen in her cute little Cascais outfit. Styling in Portugal.
Also an Arizona outfit.
a store with a view. That's crazy.
So we found our house. Figure next to the police station.
Nice and safe, overlooking the marina.
Look at all these lights blown over. It's very windy city. Very, very windy here.
Cascais is windy.
Summer has it as always.
But every place has their good and their bad. What's wrong?
It's funny, you always want to talk me into all the things. Winds can give me really bad.
We were just looking at a house through a window.
On a real estate sign.
On a real estate. This is a little uneven, so you be careful there, Skippy.
Oh, there's a beach.
Yeah. The sidewalk is definitely an optical illusion.
Yep, I feel like
sure.
I'm on the high part and then I fall down.
Yep.